happy Saturday. It's Nicole Ruth with Fairway Mortgage. I know we're running a little late today. We had kind of a hectic morning, but I wanted to bring the Saturday rates to you down below. Emily, David, and I are all available all weekend long should you have any buyers that want to put in offers. Then the other thing is I want to tell you about a conversation I had. Now, you guys know I'm doing the Realtor Ignite events. Every one of them have been more fantastic than the last. This next one is going to be even more impactful because it's going to be Terry Ruth, one of my favorite appraisers in the whole world, and he's just going to be honest. He's just going to tell it like it is. He's going to say exactly how he gets to his values. He's going to say he's going to talk about what he's seeing in the market. And he's going to be here the third Tuesday, not the third Thursday. This is the only month that we've had to shift it. Usually we have the third Thursday. This time it'll be the third Tuesday of May. The other thing was, because of these Realtor Ignite events, I've been getting into some more philosophical conversations with my realtors as far as what can be done, what are other lenders saying or not able to do that realistically we should be able to do. And a lot of it has to do with guideline changes. There are so many guideline changes at any given time. Sometimes it's hard to keep up. But when they do come out, and especially when they're as beneficial as this one that came out back in November, so it's a handful of months old, I jump on those. And I've already closed 4 loans due to this guideline change. And what it is when when a buyer has a foreclosure and a bankruptcy, and the mortgage was included in the bankruptcy, and it was not reclaimed, which is important, meaning that they didn't continue to live in the home, reclaim the mortgage, and continue to pay the mortgage payments as their primary home, then when that mortgage forecloses, whether it's immediately after the bankruptcy or years later after the bankruptcy, we only use the 4-year bankruptcy timeline. And if you know the timelines, that's a big deal because foreclosures are 7 years waiting period, bankruptcy's 4 for conventional, and on FHA, foreclosures are 3 years, bankruptcy's 2 years. So a lot of people will be shifted to FHA, and in this market, FHA contracts are really hard to win. There is kind of this stigma against FHA offers from listing agents and sellers. And in all honesty, as a little plug, I have to say this does drive me nuts a little bit in the sense that we are getting FHA, VA, conventional, USDA loans, all of our loans closed in well under 30 days. And we're not running into any problems for FHA that we don't run into for conventional. In fact, FHA is more lenient on a lot of things. So a lot of times they're easier to close than conventional. But somehow, and I know, of course, with the appraisal issue, but then again, our numbers of appraisers are dwindling, and those that are left are both FHA and conventional certified. And so those guys are typically going towards the most conservative route, which is your FHA appraisals. But to swing back to our timeline, I just got in a conversation with a realtor yesterday who wanted to put an offer in. It was a competitive bid. The lender that they were working with said they could only go FHA, when in reality, because the mortgage was included in the bankruptcy, that foreclosure waiting period of 7 years does not apply. Only 4 years does. And this borrower met the 4-year mark and can put in a conventional offer. That's huge in this market. You know that. So when you're aware of what guideline changes are happening and how to utilize those changes to the benefit of your buyers, like our team is based and steeped in analysis and problem solving, and we make sure that all of our buyers get the highest level of service possible. So if you have any questions about any of this, if you have any questions about a borrower that has been told no that you think might have some options, or any kind of challenging loan file, don't hesitate to give me a call. I love sticking my teeth into that kind of stuff, and I'm here to support you. Nicole Ruth with Fairway Mortgage. Have a great weekend.